Selling inventory parts in QuickBooks is very similar to selling any other service in QuickBooks. Click New, and then click Invoice. Choose your customer. Enter the date of the transaction. Enter your invoice number if required, and then you can add the product that you're selling to the customer. We'll choose Turf Edger. You'll notice that QuickBooks adds the quantity of one. We can edit that here. It adds the rate from the product setup and also adds the HST. And now we're ready to sell this item. The difference between this and selling a service is that behind the scenes, QuickBooks is going to do an entry requiring the cost of goods sold and the inventory asset. Behind the scenes, QuickBooks is going to debit the cost of goods sold account and credit the inventory asset account. We can see this when we save the transaction, and then when we click More, we can review the transaction journal, and we can see the journal entry done behind the scenes. We see that when we sell an inventory part, we see that we have a debit to our cost of goods sold and a credit to our inventory asset. So we know that QuickBooks is doing the correct accounting entries behind the scenes when we sell our inventory.